Hey folks, we had a customer call us about their sink not turning off whenever they shut off their water valve here. Well, what we found is that this guy had gone bad, and we replaced it with the straight stop quarter turn with the ball valve inside. But I want to show you why these things go bad and let you see the insides here. All right, we can already see it. So the washer is gone, and we've got all kinds of deposits inside of the valve here. And if we take a peek inside of this here, you'll be able to see, okay, there's the washer. It's stuck inside, and you can see the deposits around it as well. So this washer was not able to go down and seat inside to shut off all of the water. So you can see there where it should go with the end of the plunger there. So these guys will work for a short period of time, but over time they will fail. So I recommend replacing all the ones in your home to the quarter turns, because when you need to be able to shut off your water and shut it off fast, these are the guys that will ensure that it gets done.